to Stencil-Tech's wide range of patterns and colours, your only limitation is your own imagination, and our new design service will help you to get the patio or driveway of your dreams. With our spray-on system, many finishes can be achieved, such as travertine, granite, and many other non-slip textures, which makes it ideal for driveways and patios, as it is extra safe to walk on in icy and wet weather. Once the desired colour and texture has been achieved, we will then proceed to remove all the stencils, exposing a beautifully grouted paving effect that will never suffer from loss of grout, weeds or sinking. Two coats of our Stencil-Tech resin sealer will be applied to the surface. This will protect against salt damage, oil stains, UV rays to keep the surface looking beautiful and pristine.